Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to another trade recap video. This morning we took a trade on gold. It is the 29th. We had no news today, so I'm expecting a slow market. But our weekly bias for gold was we were expecting it to go down into this big weekly imbalance right here. And overall our daily bias was also bearish. Because we didn't close above this, like we're still in a bearish market. We'll see how this daily one closes, but maybe we could see a reversal right here. But we ended up winning the trade today. So also this is a daily bullish fair value gap, and this is a daily bearish fair value gap. So as you can see, we're kind of just consolidating in between the two. Not really good price action. But come up here, we get a big move down at 9. So we got a big move down right there, and then I had marked out equilibrium in the market. And what I'm wanting to do is I'm looking for a retracement, of course. So we go down here, big move, and I want it to fill equilibrium and these fair value gaps, and then continue to go lower. So I had marked out this 15-minute one that we made. What was this? That was a 5-minute. Yeah, and then we have this 5-minute, this 5-minute, and then this 5-minute. So we had a lot of fair value gaps that they needed to be filled. So yeah, and I was also looking for a 5-minute break of structure. So we got that actually. We got the 5-minute break of structure. I guess it would have been like all the way up here we got it. So yeah, we got the 5-minute break of structure right there. So pretty early on into market open. But I was also looking for a 15-minute break of structure then, because that would give us, I don't know, just full confirmation that we could look for shorts. So we got this on this big candle down, and then right now I'm looking for a retracement. I wanted to see it go up into equilibrium, look for a short, but it didn't end up going that high. And then also we got an hourly breakout structure too. And once this hourly then formed at 10, we were just like, all right, now we look for a retracement. We have our bias. It fits our bias. The market's like giving us good signs. So I saw price come in and fill this 5-minute. And it was giving a good reaction off of just this singular 5-minute bearish fair value gap. So then I look for a 1-minute right here. I see a good reaction off of this big move down, and that kind of gave me everything that I need. We also got a 1-minute break right there, and then 1-minute fair value gap. So that kind of gave me all the confluence that I needed to go short. The market was just telling us that it's rejecting off these higher levels. So, and it fit all of our biases, and we got our hourly break structure, 15-minute, 5-minute, and 1-minute. 1-minute entry, also 5-minute fair value gap entry. So we go short. Honestly, a very shitty fill. I entered short once this candle closed, and we just got the worst fill ever. Then we see price draw down for a little bit. And then, we smacked TP1, TP2. And then we ended up getting stopped break even. But for our TPs, they were this resting liquidity, and then this resting liquidity. So, not the best RR, honestly. I probably could have I ended up putting my stop loss above these highs, which was they were above the 5-minute highs. But looking back on it, I mean, I had a similar trade where I put it above a fair value gap and we got stopped out. Now, this one I could have put it above here and it would have been fine. But I don't know. I just played it safe with the stop loss, and also I didn't get the best fill. So our first take profit was only it was a 1-to-1. Actually, yeah. So I mean, that's not terrible. And our second one was a 1.5. Our third would have been a 2.25. So yeah, we ended up making like 230 on this trade. I'll put that up there. So yeah, I mean, it was a pretty solid trade. I don't know of a better way to start your week off than, making $250 on a Monday morning. So, until next time, guys, I'll see you.